Here's how I create a full morning routine vlog with a consistent AI character of myself.
Every morning begins the same way for me, with gratitude, intention, and a little self-care. I slowly rise from sleep, taking a quiet moment to breathe in the new morning. I love the feel of sun on my face, natural vitamin for the soul. After that, I kneel on my bed to pray, grounding myself and thanking God for another day. It's my little moments of reflection before the world wakes up. Then I head over to brush my teeth, and of course, I have to take a moment to behold the beauty in the mirror. God indeed created me well. After that, I head over to my wardrobe to choose an outfit, something comfortable, confident, and ready for the day ahead. Just saying hello to my gate man. Yeah, I had planned to drive myself to work since my driver was stuck in traffic. Fortunately, he arrived just as I was about to go. Then he drove me. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye for now.
I made everything using AI, so if you want to create videos like this tutorial is perfect for you. I'm going to show you every step, even if you're a complete beginner. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe, turn on all post notifications, and check out my playlist if you want to learn how to grow and monetize your social media platforms.
To achieve this style of video, the first thing you need is a prompt. Your prompt is the most important part of generating consistent AI videos. I used ChatGPT to generate my prompts, but you can use Gemini, Claude, or any AI tool of your choice. What I told ChatGPT, please generate a consistent character prompt using a reference image. I want the same clothes, same hair, same skin, same face, everything must remain consistent. The reason I used an image of myself is because my goal was to create a morning routine vlog that looks like me. If you are creating a vlog of yourself, you should also upload your own image. Then I described all the scenes. I wrote instructions for scene 1, scene 2, scene 3 up to scene 5 and more. ChatGPT asked me to upload my image. I clicked the plus icon, uploaded my reference image, and it generated everything I needed. Opening scene, scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, scene 5. All perfectly described. If you don't like anything, copy the prompts into your notepad and edit them, or simply ask ChatGPT to adjust it. I personally adjusted scene 4 and 5 because I wanted a bathroom shower scene before the makeup scene. After I asked, it regenerated the script with the corrections. Once your prompt is ready, head over to Google Gemini. I use Gemini because the image quality is always very clean. Before generating anything, I prepared Gemini by giving it a short instruction so it understands what I want to do. After it responded and confirmed, I went back to ChatGPT, copied my first scene prompt, then clicked the plus icon in Gemini, uploaded my reference image, pasted the prompt, clicked send. Gemini replied, "Great, I have received the image and detailed description. I will use this as the foundation to maintain consistency." This is exactly what we want. Now it asks for the first scene. So I copied the first scene from ChatGPT, pasted it into Gemini, and generated the image. The result was beautiful, clean, accurate, realistic, and consistent. Make sure you download each image as soon as it is generated. Then continue. Copy scene 2, paste, generate. Copy scene 3, paste, generate until all scenes are done. After generating all your images, I went back to Gemini and asked it to create action prompts for each scene. These are important because they help animate the character correctly later in the video stage. Now it's time to bring the images to life. For this, I use Grok AI because it is free and very easy to use. If you don't know how to use Grok AI, I already have a full tutorial on my channel. Scroll to the right and click Create Videos. Upload the first image. Grow will automatically animate your image, but the animation may not always be perfect. That's why you paste your action prompts to get better results. If you're not satisfied, regenerate until you get the animation you want. Repeat the process. Upload scene 2, paste action, generate. Upload scene 3, paste action, generate. Until all scenes are animated. Then download all the videos. Open CapCut or any video editor of your choice. Import all the generated clips. I muted the original audio because I wanted to add my own voiceover. Choose the correct aspect ratio. My project was for TikTok, so I selected 9:16. Then I zoomed in the clips until the frame fits perfectly. This also removes the Gemini watermark automatically. Click Sound folder. You can extract from a video, choose from device, use split to cut away unwanted sections. Click the transition icon between clips and adjust the speed for a natural flow. Click Text Captions. Choose your favorite style and generate captions. Color adjustments. Click Adjust and fine-tune brightness, contrast, hue, and clarity. Each image is different, so adjust based on what looks best for your project. Add or record voiceover. If your voiceover is not ready, click Record. Use teleprompter. Paste your script. Read smoothly as the text moves. This is how professionals make their speech sound clean and confident. After recording, trim your audio exactly according to each scene. Once everything is complete, export your video. Watch it fully to ensure voice, transitions, and scenes match perfectly. And that's the final results. If you want help creating your own AI prompts, you can DM me on TikTok, Facebook, Telegram. I can help you craft clean, professional prompts for your videos.
Every morning begins the same way for me, with gratitude, intention, and a little self-care. I slowly rise from sleep, taking a quiet moment to breathe in the new morning. I love the feel of sun on my face, natural vitamin for the soul. After that, I kneel on my bed to pray, grounding myself and thanking God for another day. It's my little moment of reflection before the world wakes up. Then I head over to brush my teeth, and of course I have to take a moment to behold the beauty in the mirror. God indeed created me well. After that, I head over to my wardrobe to choose an outfit, something comfortable, confident, and ready for the day ahead. Just saying hello to my gate man. Yeah, I had planned to drive myself to work since my driver was stuck in traffic. Fortunately, he arrived just as I was about to go, then he drove me. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye for now.